Hello, all. So it's been a while since I've done a video about counseling, and so I wanted to do that in this video. I was going over some videos on YouTube, and I was looking at a lady. Her name was Insu Kim Berg, and she was a pioneer in solution-focused brief therapy. But Insu Kim Berg, she was really good at these minimal encouragers. Now, minimal encouragers are things used in counseling. They're little subtle uh, sounds that you make in order to convey to your client that you are listening to what they have to say. You little things that we do naturally in our everyday conversations, but in counseling specifically, they are used to convey that you're listening to what your client has to say. So, for instance, it's subtle, like mm, wow. Ah. And Insu Kim Berg was really good at doing that. If you just YouTube Insu Kim Berg solution focused brief therapy, some of her sessions will come up, and she did a really good job of those minimal encouragers because her voice was so soft, and those minimal encouragers were used uh, so well in her sessions. And so, like I said, when you're going through therapy, sometimes even if you are listening to what your client has to say, sometimes either your facial expressions or your body language may not convey that you're listening to them. So if you are listening, but you're you have a flat affect, then sometimes it's not going to convey to them that you're listening. So, for instance, if you're just seated there like that, then the client may think, oh well, I mean, are they even listening to what I'm saying? And so you do those minimal encouragers, even the head nod. Mm. Even sometimes, you right, leaning forward in your seat. And that conveys that, hey, I'm listening to you. I'm listening to what you have to say. And so it's just a technique in counseling. And as you do it more in counseling, it'll become more natural to you. There's a huge difference between in mm, ah, right. You want your client to know that you are listening to what they have to say. So, I encourage you all to go and see some of the Insu Kim Berg videos and notice how she does her minimal encouragers. She really wanted the clients to know that she was listening. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be back soon with more videos. Thank you.